quinoa and rice stuffed leeks, and the inspiration to that dish came through traveling in Israel and seeing the different variation on stuffed vegetables. Take the leeks, trim the root end, blanch them in hot boiling water or in a liquid concentrated broth. Gently cut a slit lengthwise, not all the way through, and peel the leeks one layer at a time. Those layers will be what we use to stuff. Prepare the mixture. Use chopped garlic. Add quinoa and rice that have been soaked separately in water for at least 1 hour. Add chopped mint, roughly chopped walnuts, and mix well. Add pomegranate molasses, no intense flavor miso umami, and a little bit of cumin to the stuffing and mix well. Place about a tablespoon or 2 of the stuffing into the leek. Roll the leeks and place aside. When you're done, lay evenly in a shallow pan and cover with liquid concentrated broth that is diluted in water. Add about 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses and 2 Persian lemons. Bring to a simmer, cover, and cook for about an hour until rice is fully cooked. Put the leeks on a serving platter, garnish with fennel ferns, and drizzle with pomegranate molasses.